Everyone, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to use Kikoff credit. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to use Kikoff credit that is for online shopping. So if you want to use Kikoff credit for online shopping, these are the steps to take. Step 1, you have to go to an online retailer that accepts Kikoff credit. Next, you have to choose Kikoff credit as a payment method during checkout. And next, you have to enter your Kikoff credit account information, like your account username and password. Confirm transaction details and then authorize the payment. Once you've done this, finish the checkout process and the payment will be deducted from your Kikoff credit account. I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. First step you need to do is to launch the app that accepts Kikoff credit. Next, you have to choose Kikoff credit as your payment method during checkout. Step 3 is to enter your Kikoff credit account information, like your account username and password. Then set to authorize the transaction by confirming transaction details. Next, you have to finish the checkout process and the payment will be deducted from your Kikoff credit account. It's as simple as that. It's important for you to note that you must have sufficient credit available in your Kikoff credit account to do this, so make sure it is sufficient. And next, Kikoff credits may have specific terms and conditions such as interest rates and fees. Always keep your Kikoff credit account information secure to prevent unauthorized transaction. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.